Starting in Prodigy 4.3.0, there's a new application that was added in the list of the APH tools. So all the new Mat Connects will have that application in the list. If you already have your Mat Connect and you would like to have that application, just go into Android by putting 5 or 4 finger on the screen and pressing and holding there. This will bring you to the Android part of things. Select Play Store. In the search for Flip-Over Faces from American Printing House for the Blind. Tap on it and install it. Now this will ensure that the application is installed on your tablet, but doesn't mean that it will be included automatically in the APH toolbox. What you have to do is come back to Prodigy, go to Settings, select System, and at the bottom there is a Restore to Factory Default. This will reset the list in the APH toolbox, and you will notice that Flip-Over Faces will be the second application from the top.